toy-polloi's top tips.
When fixing toys, you often have to drill small holes in them to make repairs. Now, I often do that with a power tool, but more recently you'll have seen me use a pin vise. This just gives you a lot more control in what you're doing. It's a small handheld tool that you can hold in the palm of your hand, and you gently rotate it so that you can completely control the speed you're drilling and also the depth you're drilling. Now, you can buy these in sets from various places online. You'll get the pin vise and also a selection of drill bits. And inside the pin vise, if you unscrew this sort of back section, you'll see there's a different collar for holding the various sizes of drill bit that you'll need. With vintage toys, the plastic is often fairly brittle, so a tool like this gives you the ability to drill quite slowly and quite sort of neatly into the plastic and avoids the risk of cracking it. So if you're going to be restoring a lot of toys, I would recommend picking up one of these. They're very cheap and it's a worthwhile tool to have in any toy fixer's toolbox.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.